In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get free targeted traffic from Instagram. Now, the first thing you want to do is set up a new Facebook account and a Instagram account. And what you want to do is make the account centered around whatever it is you want to promote. The type of promotions you can do are affiliate products, or you can use a CPA network like Max Bounty. When you're setting up your profile, make sure that you use your own picture and make sure that it's a good picture of yourself, that you look happy. It reinforces with people that you're a real person and not just somebody trying to sell them something. And the great thing about this method is you don't look like you're trying to sell them anything, and you're not really trying to. It's not a spam method. It's just a method to get people's interest. Okay, now to set up our profile, what we want to do is go to our profile here. And what you want to do is go into edit it. And then down here, this will be where you can put in your website. So you want to put in a link there. You can use something like tinyURL if you're going to a particular affiliate program, or if you're going to your Facebook page, you can put your Facebook URL in there, or you can go directly to a PPA program, or you can go to a blog. So it depends how you want to do this, and you can experiment and see which one works the best with whatever program you're using. And then you should put a tagline down here, and that will tell them about you a little bit. So having your picture, having your website in here, and having your tagline that is all appropriate to what you're trying to promote is going to be what gets people's attention. So once you have all that, just click this check mark up here, and then your profile is set up. Now the next thing you need to do is drive traffic to that, and let's look at that now. Okay, now what we want to do to find our targeted audience is to go to the search function here and say that we've selected weight loss. What you do is you go up to search up top here, and then what we want to do is type in a hashtag. So we'll type in # and weight loss, since I've already typed it in before, shows up here. But whatever it is, let's just continue a little bit here. You'll see that it populates the list here so that you can see what different hashtags are being used. So let's just click weight loss here. Okay, now you've set up your profile. And what you want to do now is click on each of these, and then all you want to do is go into the comments, and you want to comment on their particular post. Okay, and then you just say something like, wow, that's great information, or whatever. Read through it, see what it looks like, and make an intelligent comment. And that's all you do. You don't have to do anything else. We're not being spammy or anything. And then once that's done, you just go on to the next one. Now what's going to happen is people are going to see your profile there, and they're going to wonder, well, who's this? And they're going to go and look at your profile. Now you set up your profile with your link and with your information as I showed you, and then they'll want to go and click on the link and see where it takes them. Okay, this one doesn't have a link on it, but your link is going to show up down here. Let's just go look at my profile here. And you'll see that I have this link down here. So when we click on that, it takes us off there. So that's the purpose of this, is to drive traffic to that link. Now also, you're going to want to make some posts to Facebook every day with some useful information. And really, that's all there is to it. That's going to get you some good targeted traffic to your pages only by making some posts on Instagram. You're not being spammy at all. So it's a great way to do this.